Hello everyone, my name is Dilip. My register number is URK19CS1238. In this video, I'm going to explain about the topic on exception handling. Exception handling. Yeah. In this video, I'm going to explain about the one program. This program aim is to create a class to represent an employee with email ID, employee ID, name, age as an attributes. Create a main class. Create an employee object by getting the employee ID, name, age as input and check for the constraints as given below. Also generate and handle the user to find exceptions if the user inputs are not proper as per the following constraints. With the employee ID is below 4 digits, how through invalid employee ID exception. If the name is a number, we should throw invalid name exception must be thrown. If the age is greater than 50, the invalid age exception must be thrown. Else the object must be created in the entered employee details. Okay, let's see the program right now. Is the code for that. Okay, we'll start the program, friends. Okay, I will import my java.apple.scanner class with the class invalid employee ID exception extends employee ID. My class name invalid exception employee ID exception within a string message. I'm calling a super keyword for that message, and I call in my another class called invalid name exception extends exception. Again the same, again calling super method. Again I am assigning class name as invalid age exception extends exception invalid age exception string message super dot message class. I'm selecting another class called employee. Class name employee with the integer as data type and age as variable and string data type ID and name as variables. Employee string ID int age and string name. I'm calling this keyword this dot ID equal to ID, this dot age equal to age, this dot name equal to name. Okay. After that I'm checking for the while method check method. In that I'm using try catch block. First the try block. I'm using an array character equal to name dot to carry char array. If char is to character, if character is digits, then if the character is in a digit, then I should throw in a new invalid exception invalid name. Otherwise it will then it will print the system.out.println name of the employee and catch invalid exception system.out.println invalid name and try if id dot length less than 4. If the id number is less than 4 digits, then you should throw invalid employee id. Then otherwise it will print the employee id. In catch block, I should throw an invalid the invalid employee id exception. It will print. Again I'm using a try block. If the age greater than 50, then throw new invalid exception in invalid age. Otherwise it will print the age if it is less than 50. Okay, then I'm using a public static void main method. In that I'm using scan class for the input. I'm asking for the first enter your for the name from give your name, enter your name from the user, after age, after employee ID, after displaying I'm calling the object reference with object equal to new object class object reference name reference class employee ID age and name. I'm checking that. Okay, we'll run this program and check that. Okay, the program is running. Okay, I'm giving as uh, Tom as name and age. I'm giving 45 and the employee ID I'm giving 567890. Okay, yeah, you can see the program is running correctly. This program is running correctly. In this age, if you give any number, it will throw error. In this name, if in your age, if it is you are greater than 50, then it will throw error. If the employee ID is less than 4 digits, it will throw error. So when we run the program, then this must be taken. Thank you for watching.